Welcome back everyone to this video. Have a blessed day to all. PowerPoint 2010. So here we are going to see about themes. So applying a theme is a combination of colors, fonts and efforts that can be applied to your presentation. PowerPoint include built-in themes that allows you to easily create professional looking presentations. You need not spend a lot of time formatting text if you use built-in themes. So in this video, you will learn all about themes and how to apply themes. So contents you will learn in this video are themes and its elements, use of theme elements, themes and slide layout, applying themes, inserting images and inserting screenshots. So here themes, a theme is a set of colors, fonts, efforts and more than can be applied to your entire presentation. Applying themes gives your presentation professional look. You have already been using a theme. It's the default office theme. See this one? Yes. So which contains a white background, a caliber font and back text, that is a black text. So here themes can be applied or changed at any time. So theme elements, right? Every PowerPoint has default office theme. So every PowerPoint, you all know, right, own themes also. These elements are, first one, themes color. This is available for every color menu. So next is the theme fonts. This is available for the font menu. That's for color menu. This is for font menu. And next is the shape style. This is available in the font tab when you click a shape. So why use theme element? What is the need? If you are using the theme elements, you will find that your presentation looks pretty good. All of the colors will work well together. You need not spend much time formatting your presentation, but there's another great reason to use these themes elements. When you switch to a different themes, all of these elements will update themselves to reflect the new theme. So you can completely change the look of your presentation in just a few clicks. So remember, so here, right? Yes. So we have to remember the colors and fonts will only update if you are using themes for fonts or theme colors. If you choose one of the standard color or any of the fonts that are not theme fonts, your text will not change when you change the themes. This can be useful if you are creating a logo or title that allows need to look the same thing, the same appearance. So next is the themes and slide layout. So here in this, right, themes and slide layout. As you can see from the two different title slides shown here, themes also affect the various slides. So if you apply a theme before you start making your presentation, you will be able to arrange your content to fit the layout you have selected. If you apply the theme after making your presentation, the text box, see here this text box, and the placeholder may move depending on the theme you choose. So applying themes here. If you want to use themes in your presentation, you will need to know how to apply a theme and how to change to the different theme. All of themes include PowerPoints are located in the theme group on the design tab. Themes can be applied or changed at any time. So first, how to apply a theme, right? Go to the design tab, click on the theme group, and each image represents a theme here. So click the drop down arrow to see more themes and move your mouse over the theme to see the live preview of it in the presentation. The name of the theme will appear as you move your mouse over it. Click a theme to apply it to all the slides. So preview, and last we can click it. Yes. So this is what we can apply the theme. Next thing is the inserting images. So adding image to your presentation makes them more interesting and attractive. Pictures, clip art, and screenshots can be inserted into your slide to help you effectively tell your ideas to the audience. We will learn how to insert and work with the pictures, clip arts, and screenshots in the presentation. First thing is, before that we'll have quick revision. So 5 questions. So we'll see the themes belongs to dash tab. It's belong to design tab. Second question, themes have to select before making the presentation. Third one, the need of theme elements are looks pretty good and less time for formatting. Fourth one, the default office theme is white background, caliber font, and black text. Fifth question, 3 themes elements are theme color, theme font, and shape styles. So now we'll move on to working with images. How to insert an image from a file. So first step, select the insert tab. Second one is click the picture command in the image group. The inserted picture dialog box appears. Select the image file you want to insert like this, then click insert. Yes, the picture will appear in the slide. Fine. Now working with image, that's to find a clip art. So first step, click the insert tab, then click the clip art command in the image group. The clip art option appear in the task pane to the right of the document. So there enter the keyword in the search for that's box that are related to the image you want to insert. Click the drop down arrow in the result shown be, that is box. Now deselect any type of media you do not want to see. Yes. If you want to search for clip art on Bing, that is Bing content, a search engine like Google we can take. Place a check mark next to the include Bing content. Otherwise, it will just search for clip art on your computer. Next thing, to insert the clip art. So first step, you can see the result of clip art, that is clip art search you have just done in the clip art pan. Now select the desired image. Yes. The clip art will appear in your slide. So here, yes, you can also click on the clip art icon in the placeholder to insert clip art from your system. That also possible, you can do it. So here you can type the keyword to search and select the clip art. It's like this. So the clip art is inserted. Now, yes, it's working with images. So first we saw insert, that is working how to insert, right? Yes, this is over. And yeah, working with images. First one will take screenshot. Yes, this screenshot are pictures that capture the visible items on your computer screen as such. They may include an open window of your website like this, items on your desktop, or an open program like PowerPoint. These images can be useful for explaining or displaying computer programs, functions, and websites. This PowerPoint allows you to capture an image of an entire window or a screen, clipping a part of your window. So like this. So to insert the screenshot of a window, right? So first step, select the insert tab, click the screenshot command in the image group. The available window, yeah, it's here, right? Those are available window from your desktop will appear. So select the window you want to capture as a screenshot. Okay, the screenshot will appear in your slide. Yes. Next, to insert the screen clipping from your window, right? So for that, select this insert tab, then click the screenshot command, then select screen clipping. A faded view of your current desktop will appear and your cursor will turn into a cross shape. So then click, hold and drag on the area of your window you want to capture. Like this, you can do it. So the screen clipping is added. Next, working with images. To resize the image, what to do? So first step, click the image, then keep your mouse over any one of the corner sizing handles. The cursor will become a pair of directional arrow. Resize it, that is resize cursor. Click, hold and drag your mouse until the image, the size, that is the image is the size you want. Then we can release the mouse, the image will be resized. You want to note down that the side sizing handles change the image size but do not keep the same properties. If you want to keep the image properties, always use the corner handles. Next is to move an image. Click an image, the cursor turn into a cross with arrows, that is cross cursor. Yes. While holding down the mouse button, drag the image to the desired location. Like this. Yes. Now the image is moved. Yes, it's perfect. We can release the mouse button, the image will be moved. We want to note down that to rotate the image, click and drag on the green circle. See here, it's a green circle located at the top of the image. So using that we can do it. Next thing is, before that, yeah, this is all right. Now we'll see the quick revision what we studied. There is first one, identify the icons. What is this icon? This is a picture. This one is a screenshot icon and this one is a clip art. This one rotating handles. This one screenshot. Today content is over. We'll meet in next video. Thank you. Take care. Be safe. Be happy and make others happy. Bye-bye.